welding with the Quicktig, there is no need for any edge preparation. So all you have to do is take two workpieces that have a straight edge, like these two, put them together, and then randomly weld them on two spots. You can see there is no need to leave a gap between the workpieces. Quicktig flux contains alcohol, so it is important that you leave the material for a few moments so it cools down and the material is not heated. In the meantime, you can set the parameters on the robot. It is recommended that you check the graph for parameters. In this case, we have two workpieces that are 6 millimeters thick. So we're going to weld at the speed of 10 centimeters per minute, and that adds up to 165 amperes. Now we can start the welding process. You can see that with the right parameters we achieved full penetration. We were welding without any filler material, but if you use filler material, it is essential that you use higher amperage while welding. Here you can see the three examples of the weld. In the first case, the amperage was not high enough, so the weld did not penetrate deep enough. And here you can see what happened when we use too high amperage. And then the middle one was completely right because we used the right parameters. As you can see, the surface of the weld is a bit black, but those are only oxide parts that can easily be removed with grinding or brushing, though the inside of the weld is completely unharmed.